Introducing CGW's metal surface flap wheel drum sander and accessories. Included in the line are aluminum oxide and zirconia flap wheel drums for general purpose metal removal. Interleave flap wheel drums for fast, uniform metal finishing. Non-woven flap wheel drums for versatile metal finishing. And wire brush flap wheel drums for tough finishing jobs. With steady electronics and 3,000 to 7,800 variable speed control, the flap wheel drum sander does not bog down while working and has a higher speed capacity with excellent torque. Designed with a full-length drum holder, CGW's sander supports its drums for consistent wear. From start to finish, CGW's metal surface drums and sander make each step in metal production finishing easy. Camel grinding wheels, flap wheel drum sander, and accessories.